If you don't change in the next 7 days, your life will stay exactly the same. And the scary part? You already know it. But today, that changes. This is not motivation. This is a blueprint. A simple 7-day system that can reset your mindset, your habits, and your entire direction. But only if you follow it seriously. Day 1 is about one thing: removing distractions. No social media scrolling. No useless content. Because you can't change your life if your mind is constantly distracted. Most people don't fail because they're lazy, they fail because they're distracted. Day 2. You take control of your thoughts. No negative self-talk. No, I can't do this. Every time your mind goes negative, you replace it. Because your life follows your thoughts. Fix your mind, and everything starts changing. Day 3 is where most people fail. Because this is where excuses end. Do what you said you would do even when you don't feel like it. That's discipline. That's power. Day 4. No more planning. Take action. Because waiting for the perfect moment is the reason you're still stuck. Day 5. Change what's around you. Your environment shapes your identity. Clean your space. Watch better content. Surround yourself with growth. Day 6. That you go beyond your comfort zone. Do something hard. Something uncomfortable. Because growth only happens when you're uncomfortable. Day 7. That you don't go back. You're not the same person anymore. You've built discipline, focus, awareness. 7 days won't magically change your life, but they will change you. And when you change, everything changes. If you truly want to change your life, watch the full system on my channel. This is just the beginning.